Hey, ladies and gentlemen. So, I'm going to show you my website first before I teach you this trick because I need to get this out there. I don't know if people are actually going to it or not, but you guys are asking me a lot of the same questions. And I don't mind helping. I love helping for free and all. But if I'm on the phone with somebody and I'm busy, there's a million of you guys and there's only one of me. So, be respectful. I'll tell you, hold on a minute, or I'll say, go to my website. It's not to be rude. It's that I'm busy with someone that might be broken down in the field that needs my attention more than you do right now. It's not to be rude, but I'm trying to get somebody back to work. So I wanted to show you my website just to go over it with you real quick, just in case you guys need something and you're out on the field and you're running into a situation. You could pull up websites, but you can't talk on the phone or something. This is why I kind of built this also. You guys asked me what my setup is. It's right here. It tells you everything, right? All the way down the page. My parts and tools. Tools that I recommend. Tools that I use in the video. Strobes that everything on here I've pretty much bought. So anything that I'm telling you to buy, it's something that I use. I would never tell you to buy something that I never used before. I'll be the first one to tell you that I have no idea what you're talking about because I've never messed with it, or it's not my cup of tea. I'm not an engine guy. I can tell you that right now. So here's your wire size and tools. I tell you, I have the tools up here for you, right? Right here is the calculator. I ran you some estimates, right? If you click on here, it will bring you to the website. You can run your own numbers. How to fix the demand pumps, the way I teach you with the pump techs. The well pressure switches. Why relays versus solenoids. Consultant. If you want to speak to me, I'm available usually after 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time till midnight. My gallery, just a bunch of pictures and vendors. When you're running low on power, what happens? The worst thing is your pump's blowing up or melting because it's creating resistance and heat in the lines because it's under voltage. What did I just click on? Oh, yeah. So, in fact, all right. So, let's go here. On the blog, you have a post. And every time I post new, here's all my old other posts that you could go back and watch. These are also on YouTube. I try to get them all up on here, but if not, I might have missed one or two. Sorry. But these are just things, that I've learned in the past or something you guys asked me, so I posted about it. So there's basically a Q&A there for you. But other than that, that's my website. So please use it. I built it for you guys to learn, and girls. So you want to learn how to get in front of customers. So a real easy way, without paying anybody for leads or anything, is to go to the realtor pages, right? When you go to the realtor pages, I could look on here, houses that sold, right? In my area, when it sold, what date, gives you the address. And now you have a new customer that just moved into this house, and you'll be the first one there, right? Tells you when they closed on January 7th, January 9th, 6th, 12th. Look at all these houses, guys. These are all leads. This is what I used to do. I used to go out and door tag them. And then if they were too far, I would put a postcard in the mail. It's better than, driving all the way out there, unless you create a route. Here's another realtor showing you more. Here's other addresses that sold. I mean, the tools are free. You just got to know how to use them. And this is what I mean when I say, if you're going to run a business, you got to know how to run a business. And this is part of business, is finding leads without paying for them, But these are customers that just bought these houses that are going to be new. Even if they don't need cleaning, at least your card's there. When I bought my house, it's like a bunch of cockroaches showing up to my front door. I got AT&T, I got ADT, I got the water softener guy, I got the solar guy. The minute I moved in my house, just so you understand, it works, guys. So this is just a trick. You could type in, you could also look, you could go back 30 days, you could go back, this is only a week, the first one I pulled up. And then you have, like I said, you could go here. And like I said, you just got to play with their site. You just got to go into the sold homes, like right here, recently sold homes. I click on it in Deltona because that's where I'm looking. Now, of course, you're going to change the cities, right? You're going to go, like my boy out in Windermere and Claremont and that area. He's going to do this in his area. And then he's going to get all brand new leads, really, because you're going to be the first one there. So you're going to have a better opportunity to land a sale before anybody else knows about it. This is an old trick we used to do because it's just simple. It literally doesn't take any time at all to pull this up, print it out, and drive a route. I used to have an app too, guys, that I gotta find it. But you would put every address in there, and it would route you through from your house the fastest way back to your house. It was actually pretty cool. And I used to use that when I would put all these in there. But this is just an idea how to get leads. There's plenty of other ways to get leads I could teach you. But I mean, a lot of you guys complain there's no work out there, but you got to put the work in to get the work. And I'm showing you probably what people never want me to show you, but they probably don't even know. The only people that notice are the lead guys. But this is all free to you. All you got to do is hit print, right? And you pick what area you want. I mean, look at all these houses. I mean, look at them all. These are all leads, guys. It's crazy how much money is out there that people leave on the table because they don't know this. Hopefully I'm making you better. That's my goal since I retired, guys. Biggest thing to me is not this, is electrical. Everything on your trailer must be up to par for you to succeed in this field. Because if your machines don't run, neither do you. Have a great night.